Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all the nations rise, jungle tribe of the skies. With an earthly host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by eyes and adore, Christ be everlasting Lord. In a manger born a King, while adoring angels sing. Peace on earth to men good will, with the trembling all be still. He, Christ on earth has come to dwell, Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Ever, ever, Prince of Peace, hail the Son of Righteousness. Life and light to all He brings. Breathe with healing in His wings. With He lays His